Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You can turn off your Wi-Fi here. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.